Speaking further at the briefing, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the Goa government will not take up construction of a double-line railway as proposed by the MPT. Double line will not be permitted in Goa. We don't need it, he said firmly. Parrikar said that it was not feasible and developing the infrastructure like bridges etc. will put an additional strain on the state's budget. He mentioned that it was also a conspiracy by the MPT and other private interests for the transportation of coal.
मदीच रेल्वे 4 लाइन करूंक सोदता. We are not 2 लाइन करूंक सोदता. We are not permitting. We have refused permission. I am not going to allow. Who is going to spend money on the infrastructure required for that? आज रेल्वे वयल्यान एक पूल घालपाचो आसत तर तूं सगळे पयशे म्हाका भरचे पडटा. We have refused permission. Double line will not be permitted in Goa. We don't need it. I am not supposed to support what MPT wants. MPT is making money. Someone is taking bribe there and giving coal terminal here. No, South Western Railway एका ट्रॅकाचो डबल करूंक सोदता. Goa government does not want that double tracking. We are very clear. We will not give any permission for double tracking. I am so clear about it. Yes, central agencies, it will be treated on need base. Goa Chamberan केला ते Goa Chamberak विचार म्हाका खबर ना. Goa government does not support it because it does not increase any industrial activity. Let them first show me. Are you aware of the cost of it? तांचो कॉस्ट हांव नको, आमचो कॉस्ट. कारण जेन्ना डबल ट्रॅक जातली नंबर ऑफ म्हणजे इट इज बेसिकली बीइंग डबल ट्रॅक मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ MPTचो कोल. थंय पळय ते फ्रॉड करून 2-4 कंपन्यांक कोलाचे पळय हे दिल्या पयशे घाल्या हातूंत तांच्यांनी. ते कोलाचे पळय ते प्रायवेटायझेशनच्या अंडर पळय ते बर्थ दिल्या पळय तो कोल शिफ्ट करपा खातीर हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आहा. इंडस्ट्री कांयच खबर ना इंडस्ट्रीक. Coal MPT does not function based on industry's requirement. It functions based on its own requirement which they have created themselves. Those industries are asking for it. I don't need double tracking. Single tracking can be efficiently used. आता डबल ट्रॅकिंग जातकच 2 प्रश्न निर्माण जातले. एक म्हणजे काही जाग्यार म्हाका एक्विशन करचें पडटा.